Let's introduce yourself to the viewers first.
All right, ma'am. My name is Tisha C. George, and I come from Kerala. I born and brought up in Kerala, and basically, I'm a nurse by profession. And I had been working as a staff nurse in Oman MOH for the last 12 years when I quit my job in August 2020. I have 3 children
Okay.
in my family, my husband and my 3 children.
That brings a smile on your face while introducing your children and family. That's really sweet.
Yes.
Okay, Jisha, how much did you score in OET as the results are out just today? And
Yeah, I scored writing 350, reading 350, listening 360, and speaking 330.
that's a really good score. I mean, what
Okay.
kept you motivated, Jisha, all throughout? Because you guys, as a nurse doing job also, at the same time, you have to handle your family and then friends, and there are a lot many occasions coming in the mid disturbances. How do you manage yourself keeping up and getting this kind of score?
Yes, ma'am. Because I got a strong determination that something. If I go for something, I need to achieve that.
I mean, there are a lot many OET aspirants with DHS who are right now preparing, and of course, want to know that how does it feel after you crack and join the OET Superhero League? How does it feel finally?
It was, I'm glad to have my results. Like at least I was just surprised that for my speaking I got only 330. I was really expected for a big B grade for that, but somehow I'm glad to hear at least I got an Ireland score. That is why I'm so happy to hear here. And I wish all the candidates who are currently taking coaching from your institution, definitely they all will get, and they all will give the testimonials as well.
Of course, Jisha. Whom would you like to thank at the end of the day, since there are a lot many people who contributed, even your family, friends, and a lot many people? Whom would you like to thank from the beginning to the end?
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thanks to my Savior Jesus Christ, because I have a strong faith in Jesus Christ, and I know that without Him I cannot do anything. And secondly, I would like to thanks to you, ma'am, because you have supported us a lot, and for the booking, exam booking, and all a lot of things you have supported me. Special, my sincere thanks to you. Then come to my, definitely I'm a student, and obviously the credit will go to the trainers. So naturally, I would like to say thanks to my initial trainer, Praveen sir, who has taught me about the basic things of OET for 1 month. And after that, my sincere thanks to Rima ma'am, who was taking writing sessions for me. Moreover, when it comes to the practice drills, I get an opportunity to attend the classes of Sheetal ma'am, Jarin ma'am, and Blessy ma'am. So, I have no words to say about their performances. All 3 were very dedicated, supportive, and talented. And I cannot say anything that my sincere thanks to all 3 of them who are corrected me when I was in a new.
Jisha, as you just mentioned that there is a concept named practice drills. As in we generally never go through these kind of concepts ever during the training. And what do you think is the significance of having these kind of unlimited practices during the sessions?
Yes, ma'am. I felt that unlike the other institution, because I had an attempt to write OET earlier. That time I took coaching from one of the institutions in Kottayam. I don't want to say the name of it, but really I did not go through any practice drills and all from there. And the trainer also was not up to the level. So when it comes to your institution, I really surprised that I got a lot of confidence when I attended these practice drills every day. and I got I got an opportunity to attend the classes of different trainers like Shidal Ma'am, Jerin Ma'am, and Blessy Ma'am. That was helped me a lot. Like they have corrected me, and I have taken it as a positive manner. And I know that definitely these practice drills will boost up the confidence of every OET aspirants.
Thank you so much, Jisha. Jisha, as in you just mentioned that you've been through the OET preview earlier also, and now also you've been through the DHS. Would you like to share some differences that you felt in the earlier coaching or training, and now at DHS you had the trainings? What all differences you faced during the entire journey?
Yes, ma'am. In my earlier experience, I already mentioned that it was a bitter experience. I thought that all the OET institutions maybe they will be doing the same, or I don't know. I have vast experience with that institution, and really the trainer also was, little arrogant because trainers should be, friendly with the students. That is,
Yes,
definitely that is they have to develop a rapport between the student and the trainer. That is very important when we are writing this OET exam. When it comes to your institution, I can see this harmony among the trainers, and they are very, what I have to say, that they are very supportive. And they are they are correcting us. At the same time, they are friendly. So that is the difference I can see in your institution, and definitely that gives us a lot.
definitely, yes, Jisha. And even I am glad that I could hear this from you, because a lot many aspirants are always stuck and facing such an institution somewhere or the other in the bleak of the world. They feel that all the institutions are same. Maybe they will be having the same experience again and again, and they don't take second chance. It happens.
Yeah.
So after your review, maybe they will get a chance and they will recollect the courage to come up forward and step in to DHS, surviving their own experiences maybe after this.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Definitely, I will recommend all my friends about you, and also maybe my sister also wants to join with you shortly. Definitely, I will suggest you because I can, with I got my success because of you. I can say.
Where I am really happy. I still remember in the morning, though it's informal. In the morning, I just picked up the call and then you said, "Ma'am, I just scored these and score," and then I was myself not able to resist that smile, that happiness. I was myself out of words. What should I say next? And you were saying, "Ma'am, I can't control my excitement." That was the most beautiful moment I can say, Jisha, and that's what we are actually waiting for. We are very emotional towards the results of the students, and when you guys come up with the results like this and coming up with such a kind words, it really means a lot to us, and that keeps us up every time, even at 1 a.m. when we see the message. We are always in our heart. We are always having this point that this student will be our superhero soon, because this candidate is really hardworking and they are dedicated like you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Jisha, there are a lot many candidates who might be wondering that how did you make it happen, and even like once you had the setback, still you didn't take up that as a backflow, and you still jumped on the front seat and you took up the next review. What all points did you considered next time while appearing this attempt when you cleared it? Would you like to share all?
Ma'am, regular attendance in the class, that is very important. You have to attend regularly. You are not supposed to skip the class. I'm doing most of the time. I was trying to attend my classes, and also, you have to do hard work for it. A lot of practice you need to do. Initially, I was attended in Muscat, and I got a very less score in listening and reading. And people always telling me that OET is very easy, so there is no need for any preparation. So based on that concept, I went to the exam, and I was really depressed when I got this reading and listening. And thereafter, I was trying to do, we had to give more importance to reading and listening. And definitely, all the modules are important, but some candidates they are not giving that much importance for reading and listening. That way, we will not get success. We need to do at least 100 readings or 100 listenings. Then only if you go for exam, then only you will get that. I realized that from my first attempt. That is why I was concentrating more on reading and listening. Then the result come when the result came, I was so happy when I saw that. Even though the reading was a little bit tough, at least I got the B score. I want all the OET aspirants, I would like to inform that please do work hard, practice more, then definitely you will get that.
Definitely, yes. So, see, if I just comprehend the entire thing as the key tips that you always like recommend the candidates to follow the same success path is hard work and dedication, what I could comprehend. And maybe this is what I expect even from our OET aspirants who are coming up next in DHS and joining DHS. Only promise they
Yes,
need to do is that they will do the hard work, and of course we are like putting their hands and holding their fingers and then going ahead, and of course
yes,
the destination is this what we are
yes.
doing right now.
Yeah. All that, everything is completely online, and I depend, I don't think that any difference now by joining the classes or online. If you have a determination or you have a strong will, definitely you can achieve through online also. Now I got it, all the classes, everything we were attending online, and there is nothing. I felt that there is no difference by attending in a institution separately or online. So nowadays online
That's
is
where
more
the point
convenient.
is. Even
Yeah, more
during the
convenient.
pandemic, there were lot many candidates who were saying, "Ma'am, we are waiting for the classes to become offline and then we will join." And now the pandemic is again prevalent, and we can see a lot many states facing the again lockdowns in India as well, and across the globe as well. What do you suggest
Yes.
other candidates who they are like waiting for basically to come offline and then train themselves for the OET? Do you feel that they can definitely crack by online trainings if they are joining?
Ma'am, initially I was also thinking that by joining an institution separately, maybe that would be benefit. But now, seeing this pandemic, we don't know when it is going to end, and when we are keep on awaiting for initiating the classes and all, that will be getting too late. So
Yes.
I advising all the candidates, that those who wants to really go, those who wants to go to abroad, I mean, in European countries, definitely they can make it as a challenge like it. They can take it as a online course. That would be really helpful at this point of time. Like when we can stay at home and we can study, like with a pleasant mind, we can study. So
Definitely, yes.
I did not see any difference, ma'am. Like I felt that online class is more convenient.
Is there any point which you have in mind and in your soul that feels if you share it with other candidates, maybe a benefit definitely in the future?
Ma'am, like definitely there is nothing that I am not hiding anything, but I have a strong faith in God, that I would say that. And when I was decided to go for OET, I was just reading everything. I just I was usually reading books in my native language, but I was changed to everything. I changed to English, like when I am reading books or some magazines, everything I was reading in English. So that is the reason only. And also for listening, I was just OET podcast was helping me a lot. So even though if I am not doing any listening practice test, I was regularly hearing this OET podcast. That also while doing, I am a house now. Presently, I am a housewife. I have to do a lot of work in the kitchen. So while doing these works, I was hearing this OET podcast. That was absolutely helpful for me. Otherwise,
Excellent.
every day I'm writing one letter at least, and speaking practice also. Or all 4 modules I was regularly practicing.
So you
That is
scored
only.
highest in listening, and listening you were using the podcast to like aid your
Yes.
practices and like be more proficient in listening things and comprehending things. What do you suggest, Jisha, for the reading module particularly? There are a lot many candidates facing the problem, and they are always willing to know that how can we overcome all those problems basically. because OET exam is really professional and we require professional skepticism to clear that exam, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you suggest
Yeah.
for reading?
Yes, ma'am. Reading is, I think, yeah, most of the candidates are facing difficulties in reading. Definitely, that need a lot of practice, ma'am. Need to do a lot of practice for reading. Practice test need to do, and moreover, reading books, novels, and listening to some music. This all would be helpful. And reading practice only, I was done only reading practice. More than maybe 120 reading practices I was done, and it was initially it was very difficult for me, part A. Then later I scored, I was trying to score 18, 19 like this, maybe 20 also. And part B also I was trying to get score more than part C. Part C was sometimes we will think that this answer will be correct, but I don't know their assessment how. Always I'm not getting the correct answer in part C, so I was not that much interested in doing part C, but still I was doing the practice test. It was the whole test I was doing. Some candidates they are doing the practice test only part A and part B. Part C they are not doing.
Yeah, that happens.
I disagree with that point, because I was doing, whenever I am doing the practice test for reading, I am doing the complete practice test till part C I was doing. So I'm also, because sometimes we get a correct answer, maybe out of 16 questions, maybe we get 8 answer, that will be more than enough to get a B score.
Since you have been through two institutions at the same journey, this is right question from you, Jisha. What three things at DHS nowhere else you will find?
Yes, ma'am. Your cooperation, first of all, you are treating the candidates in such a way that your support and cooperation is highly appreciated. That is
Thank
the
you
first
so much.
thing. Yes, ma'am. And secondly, I would say that, practice drills that are more helpful for the candidates. I was also got a lot of confidence, when I was attending this practice drills. That was really helpful for the candidates. Third thing, your trainers. That all the trainers. I cannot say someone is perfect or someone is in that level. I couldn't say
So,
all are
Jisha, that is why we always say that we have 5 gems, that's 5 OET ninjas, and they are actually taking care of candidates like their own kids. And I personally feel like I personally am heading all that stuff. So I have always seen them sharing the discussions that this particular candidate is facing problem in this. Let's help him, something like that. So I personally
Yeah.
feel so proud to be part of them. I have been a part of an organization where they are actually truly emotional towards the other candidate's success. That's where their success comes up.
Yeah. Really, you are the you are the strong born of this institution, ma'am. Your support is
Jisha, I'm really thankful for your kind words, and of course, this will keep us motivated. And if anytime later we will see this video again, we'll be again smiling for your scores and for your success. And later on, when you'll be in your inland and UK anywhere, then you'll also remember in our in your memories, and we will be wishing you all the best for your relative success and happiness in life. May God bless you and your family as well. Keep celebrating the success and keep sharing your views with the other candidates. Keep recommending DHS. We are expecting lot many people to come up and give the testimonies.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
It's our pleasure, Jisha. Take care. Thank you for sharing your experiences with us.